Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to see your Gmail password. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is click the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then click Settings. Now, if you have multiple accounts, they should be all here, so just pick the one that you want to see the password of. Then click Manage your Google account. Once you're here, scroll through all the tabs and head over to Security. Then scroll down and look for Manage Passwords or Password Manager and click that. And now all of your saved accounts will show up here. Make sure you have saved your Gmail account before so that you will be able to see the password. If it's not saved, you will not be able to see it here. In my case, I can't seem to find it, so I'm just going to use a different account as an example. I'm just going to use my Instagram account. But anyway, it's the same process for every account. So you just want to, once you find your account, you just want to click on it. And then once you're here, all you have to do is click the I button or I icon. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.